Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert image to PDF on iPhone. So just go to your photos. You could do this on one, or in this case, I'm going to go ahead and select 5 or 6 different images here. And I will go ahead and with them selected, press this share icon right over here. And I have to scroll down and click on this print. So once you click on this print, it's going to give you this print menu. We don't want to print it, but all we have to do now is press share again in the top right. And this time we are going to go ahead and save this into file. This option will show up here. You have to tap on this save to files, and it's going to ask you, this is your iCloud drive. It's going to ask you where you want to save it. So I'm going to choose my here downloads and just simply tap on the save in the top right corner, and now you have simply convert your image into PDF. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.